Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile delay game. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile game delay, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of FIFA mobile. Here in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to this window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.